Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the correlative conjunction such as not only but also in this session. Let us learn about the correlative conjunction such as not only but also very clearly. Generally we use not only but also in order to connect and emphasize two sentences or two events. Now let us know it clearly. Not only but also. Here some examples which are related to not only but also have been written on the board. Now let us take all these examples in order to understand very clearly regarding the correlative conjunction not only but also. Here if you take example 1, Sneha loves music. Geeta also loves music. Here we can find these two events from the first question. Sneha loves music, Geeta also loves music. Then how to combine these two events into one by using the correlative conjunction not only but also. Here if you take the first event, Sneha, this is the subject which is in the form of the noun from the first event. If you take Geeta, this is the subject which is in the form of the noun from the second event. When you find nouns from the first and second events, we should use not only before the first event. If you take first event, here you can find the noun. Here not only should be used before the noun which is from the first event, and but also should be used before the noun which is from the second event. Then how to join these two events by using the correlative conjunction not only but also. Not only Sneha but also Geeta loves music. Not only Sneha but also Geeta loves music. This is the answer for the given question. Now let us take one more example. Ramya was beautiful. Ramya was rich. These are the two events. If you take the first event, Ramya was beautiful. Here beautiful is an adjective. Ramya was rich. Here rich is also an adjective. Here we found two adjectives from first event and second events. We need to use not only before the first event but also should be used before the second event. Such as here not only should be used before the adjective which is from the first event, but also should be used before the adjective which is from the second event while combining these two into one by using not only but also such as correlative conjunction. Then how to say the answer? Ramya was not only beautiful but also rich. This is the answer for the given question. If you find adjectives from the given events, we should use not only before the first adjective and but also before the second adjective. Then Ramya was not only beautiful but also rich. This is the answer for this question. Now let us take one more example. Suma makes coffee. She also makes tea. These are the two events. These two events are to be combined by using not only but also. Suma makes, here makes is the verb which is in the first form such as present form. Suma makes coffee. She also makes tea. Here makes also present form such as the first form of the verb. These two events are in the present tense. For good and all, the same verbs have been repeated from these two events. Suma makes coffee, she also makes tea. Then how to join these two into one by using not only but also. Suma not only makes coffee but also tea. This is the answer for the given question. Suma not only makes coffee but also tea. Here two verbs have been repeated we can remove the second verb. The same verbs have been repeated. We can remove this verb makes from the second event. Okay, Suma not only makes coffee but also tea. That is the answer for the given question. Now let us take the last example. He is a teacher. Full stop. He is also an actor. Here we can find two nouns. From the first event, teacher is the noun, and from the second event, actor is the noun. Can you find the nouns from these two events? How to use not only but also? He is not only a teacher but also an actor. Before the nouns, we should use not only but also. Before the first noun, we should use not only, and before the second noun, we should use but also. In such a way, we should apply all these four rules which are related to correlative conjunction not only but also. Shravya drinks milk. Lasya also drinks milk. Then how to join these two events into one by using not only but also? Not only Shravya but also Lasya drinks milk. That is the answer for the given question. In such a way, let us take this example. Hema was rich. Hema was nice. Then how to join these two? Hema was rich. Hema was nice. Hema was not only rich but also nice. In such a way, let us take this example. Vimala makes coffee. She also makes tea. Vimala not only makes coffee but also tea. This is the answer for the given question. In such a way, let us take last one. He is a doctor. Full stop. He is an artist. Let us join these two into one. He is not only a doctor but also an artist. In such a way, if you practice all these rules according to the structures, you can simply understand how to use not only but also. We have different correlative conjunctions in the English language, such as either or, neither, nor, both, and. Let us know about all these correlative conjunctions in my next sessions. Okay, till then, thank you very much.